Hello everyone, today I will show you how to buy more storage on iPhone. And here's how it's done. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. At the top of the settings screen, tap your name to open your Apple ID settings. In the Apple ID settings, tap iCloud. Under the iCloud section, tap Manage Storage or iCloud Storage. Tap Buy More Storage or Change Storage Plan. You'll see different storage options. Example 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, 2 terabytes. Choose the plan that fits your needs. After selecting your storage plan, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your purchase. You'll be prompted to enter your Apple ID password or use Face ID or Touch ID to complete the payment. Once your payment is processed, your new storage plan will be activated immediately. And that is everything you need to know about how to buy more storage on iPhone. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.